Hey, it's Alex, the founder and CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. Today we're in the studio, we're gonna do a quick how-to installation guide for aftermarket headlights on our 2015 Ford F-150. Now the process should be pretty similar for any F-150 between 2015 to present, but make sure you check your installation instructions. If you're shopping for aftermarket headlights, make sure you check out Motoroso.com, where you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free. Let's get started. As you can see, we've already got aftermarket headlights on our F-150, and they're made by Anzo USA. We're going to be replacing them with Anzo USA's latest offering for the F-150. This is part number 111408. It's a fully blacked out housing, has projector beams, daytime running lights, and a sequential turn signal. Now this is a really easy installation, so follow along in the video, but you'll be able to do this in your driveway with a basic set of tools.
Tools for this installation require 7, 8, and 10 millimeter sockets, a 6-inch extension, a ratchet to match all those, and a panel puller and a flat screwdriver. You're going to begin by removing the fender liner from the inside of the wheel well. Now we have fender flares, so this might look a little different than OEM, but you might have to pull an extra couple bolts if you have fender flares like us, but you're going to need your panel puller to pull that fender liner away. With the fender liner out of the way, you can begin taking apart the front headlight cover to reveal the headlight mounting bolts. You're going to do this by first removing the pop clip at the top of the cover, and then gently pulling straight out on the cover with your hands, just like we do here. Now we can remove all the headlight mounting bolts. Watch the video to see all the different locations. There are 6 10mm bolts, and Ford thought it'd be funny to put one 8mm bolt in there as well. Remove another pop rivet found in the wheel well. Use a flathead screwdriver to undo the clip on the inside of the lower mounting bracket, and this will give you enough clearance to remove the light. Now remove 3 more 10mm mounting bolts, 1 located on the inner side of the headlight toward the grille and 2 from the top. When removing the headlight assembly, there's an alignment pin on the fender, so make sure to pull straight out on that pin on the fender before trying to remove from the chassis. Unplug the 3 wiring harness connectors from the back of the headlight and remove the headlight assembly from your truck. Now grab your new headlight assembly and start by connecting the 3 plugs on the wiring harness. Slide the new headlight past the lower bracket and up into the alignment pin in the fender, making sure that it's firmly in place. Reinstall your 3 10mm mounting bolts for the headlight bracket. Now reconnect the lower mounting bracket clip by reaching into the wheel well and pressing the clip into the bracket from behind. Now reinstall all 6 of the 10mm bolts and the one hilarious 8mm bolt into the lower mounting bracket for the headlight and your front trim cover. Reinstall the pop rivet in the fender well. Reinstall the front trim plastic by lining up all the clips and gently pressing them into place. And reinstall the upper push clip into the front trim. With the OEM fender liner, simply line up the clips and press them back into place, and if you have fender flares like us, reinstall those just the way you uninstalled them. With this side of the installation done, simply do the other side the same way, and you're all set. Don't forget to use the adjuster screw on the top of your headlights to adjust the height of your beams.
All right, that wraps up our installation of the Anzo headlights on our 2015 Ford F-150. Hope you thought the video was helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for our future videos. If you're shopping for parts, make sure you go to Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace. There you can browse over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free. Thanks for watching.